Welcome to our channel, our life in the Philippines and Australia. My name is Cindy and my husband is Daddy Mozi. Welcome to our life in Bacolod City. As of now, we are living in Bacolod City after I've been in Australia and living my life as a mother of 4 and a wife for 38 years. So, we'd like to welcome you to our new page of life. We've been here in Bacolod City for 2 years already. So, welcome to our life in Bacolod City. Boys polo, ganun sila po. Bili naman kami ba? Plenty of delivery trucks that delivering in the farming area. May bridge na muna. Ang grotto sa sulod na kami nagagisa Piakye sa grotto area there. Sa Piak sila no? So, may mga dalong. Yeah. Wow. Look at this. It's going down. Oo. Going down, no? It's like waga-waga. So this is the new sugarcane road, they call this. Oh, they planting and they're painting. And then they put the bricks on the side. Wow. Slow down. Okay. May nag-work. Kapinting sila. Ay, okay.
Damo ba mga ito ay tracking.
Ang tracking. So, tila pa na nga pintahan. And then nila na nga tamnan. May gagi na Okay. Wow. It's good, ha? Good road.
Mga trailers siguro is na
Ma-open gid siya to, no? Ay, ari, Ari isa, it's not finished. So, I don't know how we're gonna go with this one later. But we see people going back that way. Grabe, yung alaktod sa tunga, no? Very easy lang if you are crossing in the middle.
Dito ka magi sa circumferential law.
Oh my goodness. Oo. Or more.
Granada na kung macho. Babakulod.
Highway na siya. Oo. Jesus Maria Jose Santissima.
Keeps going that way.
Oo. Bumpy road na to sa ko.
Take it long, huh?
Toto is saying
To look closely at Zahari's flight simulator. They found nothing that suggested Zahari planned to hijack flight MH370, so the investigators turned their attention elsewhere. Their focus shifted to Farid Abdul.
So, ayan guys. Pumunta kami sa Firehook. Dito yan kasi malapit sa amin. Yung binibilhan ng mga desserts or cakes or something like that. So, yan. Bumili kami niyan. That's my favorite. Mango Graham. At saka ito ay, ano siya guys? Basta, cake siya na yema de leche. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ganito yung pinabili ni Daddy. Apple tart. Ayan. Tatlo.
And locked himself in the cockpit. If true, this would have been a disaster, leaving the crew and passengers with no way to access the cockpit in an emergency. However, with his personal issues, maybe related to his
Yeah.
romantic life,
So,
this desperate act.
nakabili din tayo
These
nito.
dramatic theories made it seem
Yes.
like Tariq was overwhelmed.
Dinner for tonight. Luto ni April, guys, is carbonara. Carbonara, pero wala kaming seafood. We don't put seafood, just like a spaghetti, which is better. In the white sauce.
Bit of this sauce, please. Sweeten it up a bit.
So, ayan. Welcome to our life in Bacolod.
Welcome. Okay. Welcome to our life in Bacolod.
Yeah.
Today we went for a road trip
Yes. And then you rode.
on the new road.
Guys. Good job, Mr. Brown. You drove. He drove today. Dad na. He drove the pink car.
Pinky.
He drove Pinky. He drove Pinky back and forth. Nearly 1 hour.
Yeah, it's only like 15 minutes, 20 minutes there.
Drive, yeah. It's good, but na?
Quick to get there.
Yeah.
You have to go all the way there. Isn't it?
So we went to the new road, guys. Yung Sugarcane Road na tinatawag nila dito sa Bacolod, just at the back of Circumferential banda. Pumunta kami doon. So ito, dumating yung order ko na ano siya, bag insert. Yan siya. Pero may zipper siya, guys. Ito yung dalawa. Bili na lang ako ng extra para hindi ko nahahanapin yung ganap niya later. So, this is extra ng purple at saka yellow. Ayan, pag may okasyon, magdala ako ng bag medyo bago. Kasi ginamit ko yung ito, guys. So, medyo umano-ano siya little bit. Pero okay pa rin. It's still alright. So, ngayon, ito yung ginamit ko na maliit. Tara, para siyang ano, bag na maliit. Pero guys, may ano siya. May, ipakita ko sa inyo. Dumating lang kanina. Dumating siya, may ano. May, ano niya. Tada! Yan. Yan. So, alagay mo siya dyan. Diba? So, yan. Hindi na kayo. Ano na kasi. May zipper. Ayan. Kailangan ko talaga ng zipper. Ayan. So, I bring this with me. Kung wala akong maraming bit-bit. Pero minsan may nalilimutan ako. Dapat siya talagang tara! Yan. Okay. So, kain muna tayo. Diyan siya, guys. Yan. So, dyan pa muna. Ito. Let's eat.
Try with chili sauce.
Chili sauce. Daddy put chili sauce.
You try.
Try. It's strong.
Not really.
It's good, but it's yummy. So, okay. Ano tayo? This is Daddy's order. Apple crumble. I'll just have a little bit later when he has this for dessert niya.
Crumble with ice cream.
Oo. So, he bought vanilla ice cream, Dad, no? Ayan, guys, ang ano niya. So, ganito na tayo. We are finished for our day. We've been to the road and we've been everywhere today, guys. We're very tired. Not really. And then having... So, we just enjoy the breeze of our aircon there. And it's going down the stairs, the aircon. So, it goes to the bottom floor. So, we shall say good night, everybody, from Bacolod City. Good night, guys. Wait for Daddy to say good night. Night, guys. See you again tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.